So this is the question of coordinate geometry class 10 NCERT exercise 7.23 number. So the question is very tricky question. Question is to conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. There is a rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Lines have been drawn with the chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each, and 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in the following figure. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? If Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? Okay. So I will show the diagram. So here is the diagram. This is the rectangular playground ABCD. These are numbered from the, this is E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Okay. So in the line, this E line, F line, G line, H line, I line, J line, in each line there are 100 flower pots. Okay, flower plants have been potted. Okay, and the distance between A and 1 is 1 meter, distance between 1 and 2 is 1 meter, and distance between 2 and 3 is 1 meter, and so on. Okay, in each line, in the first line there are 100 flower plants, in the second line there are also 100 flower plants. Okay, then the question is, Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD. This is AD. Okay, 1/4 of AD. That means there are on the second line. She runs in the second line. This is the second line. Okay. Therefore, 1/4 into AD equals to 1/4 into the distance of AD is 100, because they are also potted 1 meter each, distance equal to 25. So here the x coordinate will be, if we take this as origin 0 0, this will be the x coordinate will be 2 and the y coordinate will be 25. Therefore let this line is, this point is 225, because the x coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is 25. Therefore let this is Niharika, so n, the coordinates of, therefore the coordinates of n is 225. Similarly, Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line. She runs on the 8th line, so this is the 8th line, 1/5 of AD, this much also. So 1/5 into 100, that is 20. So the coordinates of Preet, that is P, is 820. Okay, this is 820. This is P, 820. So we have easily find out the coordinates of n and p. Now the question is, post a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? Now Niharika post a flag here and Preet posts a flag here. Okay, therefore the distance, that is np, equals to, we know that the distance formula very well, x2 plus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square का whole root over. Okay, so this is 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25 whole square root over 6 square plus minus 5 square. Okay, 36 plus 25, this is 61. This is distance is np equals to root 61 meter. Okay, now another question is, there is, if Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? There is another person, Rasmi. So she has to put a blue flag in between the midpoint, because here the question is if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway, that is half, we have to divide it half, that is 1 by 2. Okay, let this point is 1 by 2, so this is Rashmi, the coordinate of r will be xy. Okay, and therefore Rashmi will put the blue flag at coordinates, that is midpoint formula x2 plus x1 by 2 and y2 plus y1 by 2. Therefore here x2 is 8 plus x1 2 by 2, y2 20 plus 25 by 2. Okay, this is 10 by 2, this is 45 by 2. Therefore Rashmi will put the blue flag at 5 comma 22.5. Okay, so this is the required answer. Thank you very much.